Okay, we got a Chevy Aveo. Got a broken muffler, so we're gonna go ahead and do a quick fix on this weekend. Get it put back together real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Okay, people. Okay, people. Okay, people. See, she broken right there, right here. So the easiest way to fix this, I'm gonna cut this flange off here and just go get an adapter that I could put to connect this to this, and we're gonna be done with it. So let's get that cut off. Hey, we got it off. Use that good DeWalt grinder. Cut it right off. This the end here. She rusted right off of there. So we're gonna bypass this, and we're just gonna do a quick connect right there, and we're gonna be done with it. Okay, so this is what you need. 2-inch connector. Let me show you how to put it in. Okay, so the diameter here is bigger than here. So what we gonna do, we're gonna put some slits in here so we can get some spread. Cause we not buying no another connector, so show y'all what to do. We're gonna spread it open. Just want to open it a little bit. Okay. Let's see if it slide on. See? That's how you do it. You put them, help you spread it. Now we can clamp it. That's the trick. And that's tight here. It's gonna be tight here. You won't have no leaks. Okay. Okay, this clamp a little bit too big, so I got something for that. The store closed. Yeah. All right. All right, I'll take care of it. Just leave it there. All right, they ain't gonna be number 60 tomorrow. Okay. All right, I'll call you when I'm through here. I'm trying to. I gotta change Shorty's tire. Okay. Okay, so I put that tiger patch on here. Help take up a little of that slack. Now we'll set our clamp. Right here. Okay, so let's get it locked down, people. Okay. other screw. Let's get it locked down. Okay. Hand tighten them up. Run them up, snug them up. Alright, just tighten them up now, people. That's pretty much it. That's it, people. That's it. It's done. Okay. It's quiet.